Hey girl, in this video I'm going to show you how I style and install this beautiful curly ombre headband wig from DIVASWIGS. Girl, this is so cute, so you better keep on watching for details. So here I am again with another headband wig. You guys know how I love headband wigs. I know, I just feel like headband wigs are the perfect wigs for busy people and beginners. I'm not really a beginner, but I don't have a lot of time on my hands. I am busy. I'm a mom, entrepreneur, so I don't want to spend hours doing my hair. The same for my own hair, by the way. So a headband wig is the perfect solution for me. I look cute in 5 minutes and I'm good to go. So this is the wig out of the box. It is so soft. And this ombre curly headband wig is so easy to maintain. The only thing you need to do is spray it with water and add some of your favorite lightweight gel or leave-in conditioner or something in the hair. You actually don't need a lot of product because these curls are so defined if you just spray it with water. So this specific curly headband wig is perfect for someone who wants to rock the curly look but doesn't want to spend a lot of time styling it. Then girl, this is the perfect unit for you. I'm just saying. So after spraying the hair with water, this is how it looks already coming together, but I am going to apply a little bit more gel on the hair, and I used my Cream of Nature Shine and Hold Control Glue. But I recommend a lighter gel because this gel is very strong. It holds very well, but those type of curls don't need that much hold because they are defined from itself, as you can see. I just put a little bit of gel in the hair and water, and that's how the hair looks currently. So I'm gonna let that air dry for 1 day, and then the next day I'ma rock this unit. Girl, I'ma rock this unit. So how I wear my hair underneath a headband wig is always so simple. This is how I wear my hair all the time, just in 2 braids. I just make sure that the front of my hair is brushed backwards for the most natural look. And I was actually deep conditioning at that time. This is the deep conditioner that I use. Girl, I always deep condition underneath my wigs and protective hairstyles. Like, I'm so lazy. I keep my deep conditioner in my hair for like a few days until wash day. I don't know who feels me, who is the same. So I'm just using one of their wig caps, and I just put that on my hair and I stuff my braids in my wig cap. And honestly, I don't use any bobby pins or whatever. I don't need anything, just a wig cap, and I'm good to go because the wig cap is tight enough to hold my hair in place. So this is how the back looks of my wig cap. This is nice and flat. I can even go flatter if I want, but girl, this will do for now. So this is the wig the next day. Actually, it's completely air dried, and as you can see, those curls are popping, sis. I don't have a ombre curly unit, so this is the first for me, so I'm really excited to try this out. And like I say many times, a headband wig is so beginner friendly that you can just put the wig on and go out of the door, literally. So it takes 2 minutes to install this unit. Just adjust the back of the wig a little bit, just make sure like the wig is secured. This is what I'm doing now. And when you do that, when all the combs are in place, when everything's attached, this is how it looks. So cute. And DIVASWIGS also gave me a few headbands, and this is one of the headbands that I'm gonna try out. Honestly, like, I can go out of the door like this with the black headband that's already attached, but I wanna make it a little bit cuter. So if you're looking for a really cute hairstyle that's ready to go in literally 5 minutes, you guys saw for yourself, installing this unit is super easy, beginner friendly. That protects your whole head, your hair, your edges. There's no glue on your edges, nothing. It's so cute and easy. Definitely check out the link in my description box. Definitely check out DIVASWIGS. They have a ton of cute wigs that you can wear, okay? And you can do even like hairstyles with this unit. You don't need to wear the hair down all the time. I'm going to show you guys in a second a hairstyle that I love to do that really looks natural. The half up, half down hairstyle is one of my favorite curly hairstyles. I also do that on my own hair often when it's in a wash and go state. But for this particular wig, it's so cute because the ombre gives a really cute effect with the colors and then the dark and then the transition to the light. It's so cute. I don't know, it just really fits. So girl, let me know what you think of this headband wig. Do you like this color on me? I love it actually. So yeah, I'm gonna keep rocking this unit for a long time, sis. You're gonna see a lot of Instagram pictures with this one. I'm just saying. So yeah, definitely check out the links in my description box. And thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. You guys know that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.